Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I discuss about using time functions. Excel offers for fewer time functions when compared with the wide array of date functions. Like the date functions, however, the time functions enable you to convert text in thrice representing times of day into time serial numbers so that you can use them in calculations. Now function. The now function on the date and time command buttons. The now functions on the date and time command buttons drop down menu. Command buttons drop down menu gives you the current time and date. Gives you the current time and date based on your computers internal clock. You can use the now function to date and time stamp. You can use the now function to date and time stamp the worksheet. To date and time stamp the worksheet. Now, like the today function, now takes no arguments. Now takes the no arguments and is automatically recalculated and is automatically recalculated every time you open the spreadsheet. Now syntax. Now function syntax is equal now, then first bracket starting and closing. So go to Excel sheet and select a cell and write now function equal now first bracket starting and closing, then enter. there have a notification we found to typo in your formula and try is correct it too. And you can see equal now right here function equal now, then you can see returns the current date and time formatted as a date and time. So close the bracket and click here yes, then you can see there show current date. When you select time, then you get using this function here current time 6:33 for 7 p.m. You can see when you select there the long date, you can get long date using this function. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.